Configuration management as an aspect of secure coding. Configuration management is a fundamental aspect of secure coding. Configuration management is maintaining a durable configuration history. Configuration management is providing a foundation for a secure coding environment. Configuration management is creating secure baselines. Configuration item is a service asset that needs to be managed in order to deliver an IT service. Configuration management system holds all the information about configuration item within the designated scope. For example, a service configuration item will include the details such as supplier, cost, purchase date and renewal date for licenses and maintenance contracts, related documentation. A baseline is an agreed description of the attributes of a product, at a point in time, which serves as a basis for defining change. A version is a concept that describes the unchangeable state of a configuration item, a set of configuration items, and a baseline. A change set is a group of related changes to configuration items that have been changed, and it is the basis of how changes to the software system are controlled. A branch identifies a set of versioned configuration items that are being developed in parallel to the main configuration. A main branch is the base configuration from which all other branches are derived.